Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple way to disappear all signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, pigmentation spots, dull skin and crow's feet. So you can get rid of this problem by following this simple 5-minute oil cleansing method every alternate day. So first we'll make our own oil cleanser. So take a bottle and start filling it with sesame oil. Sesame oil is a non-comedogenic oil. That means that it doesn't clog your pores and also it is suitable for every skin type. It rejuvenates skin and reduces the appearance of premature aging signs. Then add castor oil. So you have to add more castor oil compared to rest of the oils. It is an elixir for supple smooth skin. It clears acne, treats wrinkles and helps relieve dry and patchy skin. Then add sweet almond oil. Now the quantity of almond oil should be equal to that of sesame oil. Almond oil is a natural anti-aging oil rich in vitamin E. It helps fight pigmentation, spots, scars and promotes youthful glowing skin. So finally I'm going to add is pure rosehip oil, rich in antioxidants, fatty acids and vitamin A and C. It helps diminish blemishes, help with cell regeneration and promote soft, supple and plump skin. Give it a good shake and your cleansing oil is ready. So clean your hands and tie back your hair. Then apply generously all over your face and neck. Use your fingers in circular motion to gently massage your face and neck. Use deep and stimulating motions if you are looking to firm your skin. A basic 2-minute facial massage can also be done to smooth fine lines. So massage your forehead, your eye area, cheeks, mouth area, chin and neck. So once you have done with your face massage, soak a towel in hot water, gently squeeze the excess water out and cleanse your face. So you don't have to wash your face, just spray rose water on your face for hydration and to refresh and rejuvenate your complexion. Then use your favorite cream or moisturizer. You can also use 4 to 5 drops of this oil. So try this method every alternate day and within a week you will see dramatic difference in your skin. So I hope you like this video and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.